everyone, we are 4th year chemical engineering student from SETK4243 section 4 team 1. In this video, we will be explaining what we have done for our first team assignment with the topic of Health of Quality and Innovation Map. Our team members include me, Charis Lim, Muhammad Shafiq, Sanjay, and Patricia. First, I will explaining the House of Quality for a pen, the Faber-Castell Fast Dry Agile Pen. From what we have studied, we get to know about that a pen ink can be a complex mixture containing a variety of substances, such as solvent, resin, alcohol, lubricants, pigment, dyes, dryness, and other materials. The components combine to affect the free-flowing qualities, color intensity, durability, speed of drying, resistance to sunlight, and appearance of the create image. From the market research, we have come out with 5 consumer preferences, which are soft and smooth writing, fast-drying ink, pleasant smell of ink, non-toxic ink, and high durability. In addition, the HOQ also includes 5 technical parameters, which are viscosity of ink, drying agent concentration, alcohol concentration, dye concentration, and the type of pen barrel materials. The correlation matrix pair the consumer preference with the technical parameters. First and foremost, the writing texture of a pen, whether it can write soft and smoothly, strongly depends on the viscosity of the ink, with the score of 9. To have a smooth writing pen, we have to design a pen ink with ultra-low viscosity. Besides, whether the ink dries fast depends on the alcohol concentration and more significantly on the drying agent concentration in the ink. By increasing concentration in both alcohol and drying agent, it can help to the ink to dry faster. Next, to have a pleasant smell of ink, alcohol concentration play an important role on deciding this criteria of a pen ink. At the same time, the dyes concentration will also give effect on the smell of pen ink by increasing both concentration of alcohol and dyes. They will bring back smell to the pen ink. Next, the toxicity of a pen ink strongly depends on the alcohol and dyes concentration with the score of 9, and also the drying agent concentration with a score of 3. As we know, a pen ink is considered as a minimally toxic. If the alcohol and dye concentration is out of parameter, it can be hazardous to user health. Last but not least, the durability of a pen. It's also important preference for customer to choose a pen. Usually, the pen barrel's materials is made of polypropylene core polymer or PPC. However, when a pen barrel is covered with rubber on it, it not only can prevent the pen structure from cracking, but also provide a better grip when writing. Now, I will pass the presentation to my team member.
I will proceed on to the weighting factors. Weighting factors is the value of the consumer preference that we took into consideration when designing our pen. And the number is shown below the weighting factors. The greatest score is 3, which is the soft and smooth writing. Which also means that we would prioritize focus on this consumer preference in our design. The important weighting therefore shows the importance of the technical requirements toward the consumer preference. As the most important consumer preference is soft and smooth writing, the viscosity of ink will be carefully controlled to reach the target. Moreover, there are 2 technical requirements, which is the viscosity of ink and alcohol concentration are conflicting. As when we want to decrease the odors of the ink, we need to decrease the alcohol concentration, but it will affect the viscosity of the ink, so it's conflicting. Next, we also compare our product with another 3 brands. So our product in the table is the star shape, which is the Faber-Castell Fast Dry Air Gel Pen. And then another three brands. The first is the um, rectangular one is standard AE7 Alpha Tip Gel Pen. And then the triangle is the Jabra Sarana Clip Pen. And circle is the Scotch Gel Pen. As from our comparison from our product with another three product, so our product will be the best on the soft and most and smooth rating, and then fast drying in will also be the best, and the good smells will also be the best, then the high durability also be the best, but the non-toxic we are lose from the completion A, which is the standard AE7 Alpha Tip Gel Pen.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Shafiq Shazwan. Now I will explain about the innovative map, which is based on DrinkMate. It is specially engineered to carbonate any drinks with the process technology, which is carbonation, whereby the machine uses CO2 gas, which is contained in specially designed CO2 cylinders. Carbonation occurs when carbon dioxide dissolves in water or an aqueous solution. Carbon dioxide doesn't easily dissolve in water under everyday conditions. To make this happen, manufacturers need to increase the pressure in the can and keep it at a low temperature. What sets apart this product is the technical differentiation fizz infuser, which enables better carbonation. The patented fizz infuser is the key component of the DrinkMate system. With slow and fast pressure release options, you can easily prevent overfoaming. This is the reason you are able to carbonate more than just water. When adding CO2 to drinks that contain tannins or sugars, this creates a lot of foam. The pressure release functionality on the DrinkMate Fizz Infuser allows you to depressurize these drinks without creating a big mess. The product provides a two-stage pressure release control which can safely depressurize any drinks, may it be hot or cold.
Hi, I'm Sanjay, and now let's move to the next material, which is safety valve. The drink mat, which helps to carbonate any liquid, has safety valve. The technical differentiation is it is a safety feature which can prevent overpressurization when a consumer pressing the carbonation button for too long. It prevents overpressurization by releasing the CO2 gases to the surrounding. With this technology, users can avoid the waste of CO2 gases because for this machine to work, they have to buy the CO2 gas, and eventually they can prevent any explosion due to the overpressurization. We reached to the end of our presentation, and now I would like to conclude our presentation. The customer's needs and requirements are established by House of Quality. Then it can be used to build and prioritize service offerings and products. The innovation map enables the creation of product and processes using the same technology platform expressed in the form of experience, know-how, structure, and etc. That's all from us. Thank you for your time and attention.